Hi people, in this video we will be demonstrating the various ways of creating a circle sketch using Solidworks. The circle tool can be found up here. So if I click on this drop down, we have two different methods of using our circle tool. One really interesting thing about Solidworks sketch tools is that the icons already provide hints on how they function. So selecting on this right now, and I'm picking on my sketch plane, a top plane. Control 8 to make it normal to my screen. Okay, and so we see this circle type. We have 1 and 2. The first one is a circle, a normal one. We use the compass to draw. We select our center point and our radius, and then also we have the perimeter circle, which needs us to pick 3 points. So just like I said, the tools in SolidWorks sketch panel give us hints with their icons on how to make them function well. So the first is center and radius, which we are very familiar with. So I select the center point, I drag my mouse and pick my radius. Just as simple as that. So on the other hand, we do have the perimeter circle, and there might be a question like, when would the perimeter circle be necessary, since I already know the radius of what I want? But let us assume we have a rectangle this way. Yeah, and then we also have, let's assume this is a square, or rather let's make it a square. So smart dimensions, this, let's just call this 100, and then we say all the parts are equal. Okay, so using this normal circle, center and radius, very simple. To use the perimeter circle, we need to select 3 points. So let's assume I want the circle to touch this, and this point. So we have to do a lot of calculations to know the radius that we need. Whereas with this, I can just select the first point, pick on the second point, and on the third point. And so just that way we have the perimeter circle by selecting 3 different points. Okay, so that's all we'll be talking about concerning the circle tool, and then we'll see you in the next video where we will be talking about using the rectangle tool with your SolidWorks sketch. You can take out time to practice what we have learned today, and if you have questions or comments or complaints, please drop them at the comment section. I will endeavor to attend to them. And if you like this video and enjoy this class, do not forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Do well to click on the notification bell at the top right corner of your screen to be updated when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for sticking with me till the end, and see you in the next video.